purpose of the Zorba, if I can interject here, the purpose of the Zorba was it was a variable wattage add-on, so you can put it on a mechanical mod and not take away the romanticism of the mod.
Right.
And you don't have to drop down battery size. If you're going to put a kick, you're going to have to drop down the battery size. So this was meant to be added to, let's say, a polished GG, and you still keep the romanticism of a mechanical mod, but off of variable wattage.
Exactly.
But one of the problems that they ran into is after they started making them is some of the mods that are out there, they don't have really good buttons. So just like the kick now, if the kick does not make the people blame the kick sometimes, the mechanical mods are not working well. It's not really that. Some of them don't have good buttons, some of them are not making good contact inside the body. So they figured, I said, we made the Zorba, let's go ahead and make a tube for it and just make it one complete package and make our own switch that we know is going to work every time using this variable wattage add-on. So that's how the idea came to create this whole line of mod, and it's not just the mod itself. I mean, it's got an airflow control, it's got a very unique switch. I know you've talked extensively about this switch, so it has really turned out to something spectacular.
You know, one of the great things about this it's modular, okay? So you're not only buying a regulated device, but you're also buying a mechanical device.
Absolutely.
Right? So you don't have to use, you know, the variable wattage section of it, the Zorba section of it.
Correct. Right? And now he'll show you over here how he's going to remove the Zorba.
Remove the Zorba.
So we're taking the Zorba out.
Put the upper cap.
And we're just putting
inside, and you have a mechanical mode.
So let's talk about the variable wattage section of it right now. First of all, it goes from watt to watt. What's the range?
From 6 watts to 22 watts.
6 watts to 22 watts, okay? And it's got kind of a unique way you set it, and it's set via an LED. Okay, so again, we're keeping like the romanticism of a mechanical, and we're not putting a screen on it. Okay, it's just can we show that on camera how you would adjust it?
Yeah. All right, so here is the actual LED. When I fire it, you'll see that it glows. That's letting us know that the device is working. One of the reasons they didn't go with the screen, and these guys are electrical engineers that could easily put an OLED screen on this, but it takes away from the romanticism of a mechanical mod. I mean, when you hold this, you can't tell this is a regulated power device. The way you go into the menu system is you use the actual switch. You depress it 3 times, that puts you in the menu system, and then you get a series of blinking LEDs. When they're blue, if you count the LEDs, it'll tell you how many watts you're set at. If you keep holding the button, it'll turn into a red LED, and as that red LED is increasing, you can adjust it.
Right.
So now I'm going to give you an example. We'll see how many watts we have it in here, and then I'm going to change the watts as well.
Okay.
So we go 1, 2, 3, we hold the button. We get the little light show. Now we're into the menu system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I let go of the button, and now I'm set at 12 watts.
Right.
So the blue was the setting that I had it before at 13 watts. I kept the button depressed, and I set it back to 12 watts.
Right.
After you let go of the button, now it's always set at 12 watts, and you can begin to vape. So that's the way that the LED system works. It also has reverse battery protection, so if you do put your battery reverse inside, it's not going to fry the board on this. And also, you know, your normal features, you know, over discharge, and the safety protection is an electronic mod, but in a mechanical